Are you looking for luxury hotels and spa but still want to stick to a budget for your next holiday destination? How about spinning in a coconut boat ride by the day and hitting the casinos at night? Do you know there is this place where you can actually crawl through the water tunnels, sip snake wine, and have delicious street food? Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Nivesha Parwar and today I'm going to tell you top 7 crazy things to do in Vietnam. It is one of the cheapest and the most exciting countries to visit, filled with a lot of adventure and rich history. From coconut boat rides to tailor-made suits, from river cruises to AK-47, from stunning views to immersive history, Vietnam's corridor. But before we dive into today's adventure, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon button so that you don't miss out on amazing travel and food experiences from around the world. Let's kick things off with luxury living on a budget. If you're somebody who wants to feel like a millionaire without spending like one, this place is perfect for you. Imagine waking up in a gorgeous 5-star resort with breakfast buffets, world-class spas, ocean views that'll actually make you rethink what budget travel is all about. And all of this is for as low as $50 a night. Why go to a small hotel without a beachside view when you can actually soak in luxury? So most of these Vietnamese hotels are both lavish and affordable, and they offer top-notch amenities. After you've settled in, it's time to get a little crazy. Have you heard about Coracle coconut boat rides? Well, these are tiny round boats made up of coconut leaves, and the tour guide actually spins you all over in multiple rounds until you're dizzy, laughing like a kid, and maybe in my case, just about to vomit. Let's dive into history. I'm talking about Cu Chi tunnels, not for the claustrophobics, by the way. These are famous underground tunnels, and exploring them is like going back in history. You can actually experience where they made their food, their bunker beds, room, the strategy sessions, and a lot of other things. You'll squeeze through tiny pitch-black tunnels like a real soldier. And if you want some more action, you can actually go to the shooting range where you can fire some vintage weapons. Ever wanted to shoot an AK-47? Well, this is your chance. Speaking about experiences, let's talk about snake wine. Yes, it is exactly what it sounds like. So it's wine in which there is a snake inside a bottle. And the locals say that it has great health benefits and it boosts your immunity and strength. So if you're somebody who wants to have like unique experiences, this is something that you can actually try for. If you ask about me, I did not try it, but if you do, let me know in the comment section, how did it actually taste? For those of you who want to try a little bit of luck, Vietnam has some amazing casinos. So whether you're in Ho Chi Minh or up north, you'll find a lot of places where you can actually gamble. From slot machines to poker tables, there's something for everyone. And the minimum bet here is less than $1. So who knows, you might actually win enough to cover the expenses of your whole trip. Well, for me, I got 2 days of my expenses. Now that we've covered a lot of thrills, let's go to a romantic setup. Beautiful river, soft music, thousands of lanterns, and you. Floating under the sky during the Hoi An Lantern Festival. Every full moon, Hoi An transforms into a magical scene, with lanterns lighting up the entire town. This place actually becomes like a fairy tale, so it's a perfect place if you want to go on date night or just a casual evening stroll. Even during the day, you can actually rent out a scooty and explore the colorful town with lanterns hanging all around. And while you're in Hoi An, get yourself the ultimate souvenir. Which is actually a tailor-made suit for under $100. So you simply go into any tailor shop, choose your fabric, get measured, and within 24 hours, they'll actually give you a suit or a dress that is custom made and which actually looks like royalty. It's like having your own personal designer, and you'll leave looking fly for a fraction of price you'd pay back home. Now, if you're a foodie or even better, a vegan or a vegetarian, you'll love the Vietnamese food culture. Whether it is the famous banh mi with tofu, the flavorful pho che, or refreshing rice paper rolls, you'll actually love it all. Vietnam's plant-based food options are both delicious and cheap. Every corner of the street has a lot of food options for people who eat meat and who do not eat meat. So basically, you don't have to worry about it. And all of them are made up of fresh local ingredients, and you're eating healthy food without even trying. Vietnam is a treasure trove of wild, luxurious, and unforgettable experiences, all without emptying your pockets. Whether you're into crazy boat rides, immersive history, or just looking sharp in a custom suit, Vietnam's got you covered. If there's any other crazy experience that you think I might have missed and I can do it on my next trip to Vietnam, let me know in the comment section below. And now we've reached the end of this episode. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon button so that you don't miss out on a lot of crazy travel and food adventures. Thank you. See you in the next episode.